Hi everybody, welcome to the Detective Pikachu martial art lesson. In this lesson today, we're going to practice some fun Pokemon moves, and then we're also going to face off against Mewtwo, okay? So if you're ready for that, let's get started. Chariot, Kanye. Awesome. All right, here's how we're going to warm up. We're going to do our jumping jacks. You guys repeat after me. Everyone say, Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Awesome. Good. All right, now we're going to have our hands on our hips. We're going to stretch out our hips like this today. Everyone say, Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. All right, going the other way now. Or even say, Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Awesome. All right, now this time we're going to bend both knees. Okay, and then we're going to stretch out our shoulder this way. Everyone say, Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Awesome. Good job. Let's go the other way now. Everyone say, Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Awesome. All right, arms crossed. Sit down to the middle just like this. Everyone say, Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Awesome. Good job, you guys. High five. Awesome. Very good work. All right, so we're going to practice some different Pokemon moves today. The first move we're going to practice is going to be Mach Punch. Now, Mach Punch is a super fast punch, right? In fact, if you play the game, it always hits first, okay? So we're going to practice a Mach Punch. Here's how we're going to do it. Hands up just like this. All right, you guys know who Bruce Lee is? Bruce Lee? Okay, here's a picture of him if you don't know. Bruce Lee was a famous martial artist, and one of the things he was really famous for was something called the 1-inch punch. So today we're going to practice the 1-inch punch, okay? Now, when you do a 1-inch punch, what we're going to do is we're going to take, it's like the Mach Punch. You're going to take one hand out straight like this, and then you're going to do a short little punch just like that, okay? Now, as you do this, you want to try to connect all the power, all the energy, all the power out into your hand, okay? And let me show you guys something real cool. All right, check this out. If you do a 1-inch punch properly, you can break a board. Now, I don't want you guys to take boards at home or take any wood and do this, okay? But I just want to show you guys an example of how it works, okay? So when I'm here, if I aim for the board like this, I can't stop at the board, but I gotta go past it. I gotta go through it with 1 inch, like this. Yeah, I stop there. If I stop there, it's not gonna break. So to do a 1-inch punch properly, you gotta breathe out as hard as you can. So as we do the 1-inch punch, we're gonna try to breathe out as hard as we can. Try to get all the air out of your lungs as you do it, okay? Awesome. All right, let's practice the 1-inch punch or the Mach Punch together. I'm gonna stick out your hand like this and breathe out. 1. Good. 2. Good. 3. Good. One more. 4. Awesome. Good job. Awesome. Let's try the other side now. Ready? And 1. Good. And 2. Good. 3. Good. 4. 5. Good. Good job, you guys. Awesome. High five. Awesome. All right. Hi, everybody. Hope you're enjoying this YouTube lesson. Now, real quick, if you're interested in supporting Dojo Go and getting exclusive series and content not found on YouTube, be sure to visit our website, dojogohomeschool.com, to find all of our exclusive content there. Now, back to the video. Next combination we're going to practice, this time, we're going to practice the triple kick, right? So if you've ever seen Hitmontop, that Pokemon, right? You're going to throw a triple kick. So here's what we're going to practice. We're going to practice throwing a low kick, and then a middle kick, and then a jumping kick at the very end, okay? Let's try this together. Ready? Hands up, fighting stance. And low kick, middle kick, and jumping kick. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Let's do the other leg now. Ready? And low kick. Ready? And middle kick. And jumping kick. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Ready? One more time. Ready? And low kick. Good. And middle kick. And jumping kick. Awesome. Good job, you guys. High five. Very good work. All right. We got one move to practice before we face off against Mewtwo. Okay? Now, here's what this next move is. We're going to practice doing is we're going to practice a move called Protect. Right? Now, when you do the move Protect, if you play the games, you know, no attacks can hit you. Okay? No attacks can hit you. So, here's how we're going to protect ourselves. We're going to have our hands up like this. Now, when I say protect, what we're going to practice doing is we're going to go slip, slip, roll. Okay? Let's practice together. Ready? And go. Slip, slip, roll. Nice. Again. And go. Slip, slip, roll. Good. Nice. One more time. Ready? Go. Slip, slip, roll. Okay. All right. You guys ready to fight off Mewtwo? Nah, I don't believe you. Can you say yes, sir? Awesome, good. All right, let's go fight off Mewtwo. Okay, looks like we're in Pokemon Stadium, and I see Mewtwo's right there. All right, we're gonna practice all the moves we've learned so far. 7 hands up, fighting stance. Awesome, good. Let's start with Mach Punch. Ready? And 1. Good, good. That move hit first. All right, he's gonna attack us. We're gonna practice doing protect. Ready? Slip, slip, roll. Awesome, good. All right, let's finish him off with the final move. Triple kick. Ready? Low kick, middle kick, and high kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. High five. Very good work today. Hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. If you did, make sure you guys like and subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Chariot. Kanya. Hi, I hope you enjoyed this lesson today. Now, if you did like it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, parents, if you're looking for a way for your child to learn how to meditate like a Catholic samurai, like Blessed Justa Ukan Takayama, I've designed a free course that you guys can get down below. All you need to do is visit dojogohomeschool.com/samurai for Christ. Again, dojogohomeschool.com/samurai for Christ, and you'll learn all about the way of St. Ignatius mental prayer, the same methods that Blessed Takayama, a Catholic samurai, used to meditate. So, hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you all later.